state-of-the-art, commercial, modern. Every chef loves a good stove. It's a commercial style with a residential size. We got rid of a lot of the old aluminum pots and pans. We went to all stainless steel. Got some more commercial mixers and blenders and things like that. We always learn that it's important to give the students the knowledge and the tools to do the job. We teach them how to do things in the classroom, but this space gives them the tools and an opportunity to apply what they've learned to a real life situation. Every part of the design where we could incorporate something that would help them to educate them in one way or another, or apply the things they've learned in class, is what we wanted to design into the space.